Hi lovely people, I hope you're well. Drew, depthofshine. I hadn't forgot about you all. Apologies. I've just been really busy and just not lack of time, just tired to be fair. So I will put some more stuff on. We have been busy, quite a few cars, been at the unit, sorting stuff out. And it's just not enough hours in the day, and then by the time I get back home, I'm too tired. I need a little bit of time to think about what I'm going to post. I don't want to just keep banging stuff out. So anyway, quick video because customer's on his way. Just wanted to give you a quick walk around of this C63S AMG in, I'm not really sure the real name, satin. There's a special name, but I can't remember it. But anyway, it's going to have a full wrap, but unfortunately there's only a front kit, extended kit available. So Xpel Designo is going to come up in a few weeks to do the rest of the car, so then we'll do the rest. But I just wanted to give you a quick walk around of what I've been doing and just to show you because it's really nice. So let's go. So here she is. So it's had an extended kit with sills, obviously with Xpel, a few Geon products as well, but I'll show you. So yeah, so we've just got obviously the bumper strip, all that's done. There's only one thing you might be able to see, you can't really see, just there. There's a little bit of fluid. So if you do get a little bit of fluid under the film, once you get heat on the panel, it should just disperse once it goes through. So I'm hoping, if not, we'll just have to change the bonnet, which is a little bit unfortunate because it's really hard to try and see. This is a really hard bonnet to do because you have to stretch it all the way down to like this corner, and there's so much material to try and get rid of. And then this piece is in two pieces, and my join, I'm pretty happy about getting my join lined up nice. You can just about see where you get it to there. So it's starting to rain now, which is a bit unfortunate. So yeah, we've removed the wheels and applying Geon rim, Geon tyre. So they're all nice. It's going to be a bit of a nightmare to keep clean, but these are lovely wheels. You just get a centre lock tool and take it off, it's in the boot, and then you've just got 5 studs under there, which is nice. So yeah, wings are done. I've done the, as I say, I've done the sill kit all the way along. I've also done some pieces across the bottoms of the doors, which are normally in the sill kit, which we'll take off because we're going to have full doors. But I just wanted to put those on just to help protect it. And I've just put an A-pillar piece on which stops there. But yeah, after the discussion with the customer, just how expensive it is just to get them repainted. I'll show you one thing. I think he'd already got a little chip up here already, which is a bit of a shame. It's only done 500 miles, and there's a little mark, which is a bugger. But yeah, it's nice. So this is the second one we've had in. We've just done a blue one, father and son, and obviously they have an estate car because they have dogs as well. So, but yeah, it's nice. It's a proper weapon, and it sounds nice as well. Oh, there you go, folks. Just a quick video. As I say, customers coming, but yeah, it is nice. I really like it. As I say, it's after discussing with the customer, it was decided that we'll just do a full wrap just to protect it because he uses it on a daily basis. And with this paint, Designo something it might be, anyway, matte paint, it's really hard to get it to match. I'm not a painter, but I think if you damage panels, there's quite a bit of the car need to be painted just to try and get it to match, but I'm not 100% sure. But that's what I've been told, or that's what I've heard anyway. But anyway, so yeah, the front's done, extended kit's on, sills are done, so hopefully in a few weeks the designer's going to come up with the rest of the car, and then we can crack on, and then we'll just do another video just to show you. As I say, I've been busy, sorry for lack of updates. I'm in the uni, it's just hard because I'm on my own, I have to do everything, so it gets a bit on top of you sometimes, but I am here, so if there's any inquiries or if you want to see some more stuff, just keep firing things at me, because I will do it. Just trying to find time and the right content. Anyway, there we go. I won't blather on. All right, have a nice day, folks. See you soon. Take care. Bye.